Alright, today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to address a gear shift linkage issue that I ran into on a 2006 Toyota Corolla S. Now, I was at work. We got all kinds of stuff going here. Hello. Push the lever in. See how there's no engagement at all. Okay, no engagement to the transmission at all. So there's either one of three things. The cable came unhooked at the transmission. So you're gonna check. And the transmission comes right there. That's your cable right here. Comes down through here, like right there, right in front of your transmission fluid. And it goes down there to the shifting mechanism. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach down there and see if I can't do anything with that. Yeah, see, I can do that just fine. So the transmission linkage is fine. So it's connected. So it's either got to be the cable or the shifter. We're going to turn the car off. We're going to put it in park. Make sure you've got your e-brake set. We're going to go ahead. We're going to get the tools together to get this whole instrument cluster pulled apart. I don't think it'll be as difficult as it sounds. And we'll be right back. All right, guys. So you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need a flat-bladed screwdriver or something to pry the center piece of the console off. You are going to need a 10mm for the bolts that are inside the pocket of the center console. Now you're going to want this pretty long extension. This is the only one I could find with the little one. I couldn't find my longer. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And let's go ahead and we'll get to the car. It should only be about a 5-10 minute job. All right. So what you're going to do is this little nut rubber insert, you're going to take and remove that if you have it. These two right here, these are 10mm bolts. You're going to go ahead and you're going to remove those. I am not going to film taking these out to make the video shorter. Also, you're going to have a plug for this power source here. You're going to have a plug for this power source as well as the light ring. So I believe there's two underneath there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this plastic cover off, and it should expose a screw here, 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 and right in here. You're going to pull all those screws loose, and then we'll go ahead and we'll get the console removed. All right, so here we go. Flat-bladed screwdriver, very gently. Come on, pull it up. See how that popped right loose? Yep, there's. Go ahead and kind of twist it over. See, you're right there's a little tab to push. Push that tab. This just pulls straight off. Okay. Here's these screws I was talking about, here and here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get the two rear screws removed. You don't need to be watching that. And here they are. Go ahead and put them with your other screws. Now, something else that a lot of people don't realize is this little plastic tab right here. Okay, that right there actually pulls right out. So it makes it a lot easier to get it up over the stick shift. Now, guys, I'm sorry that I don't have a lot of room to work with and to film. Kind of having a hard time finding everything to fit. So I'm probably going to whack the camera. So you're going to lift up, pull out. Oh, remember I told you. Here's, okay, now that is way up here. See it right here? I forgot all about it. Sorry guys. Now this is another push pin. So you're going to take right here, push down on that tab, pull that out, boom, that's it. Okay? That's the last one. Pull up, pull off your e-brake, and there you have it, you're out. Set it to the side. Okay, now that is what I thought. I don't know if you can see it or not. What it is there is a bushing that goes up, and there it is right there. There's what's left of the bushing. Can I get it? Yep, there it is right there. Is that right there? That is what's left of the bushing. Okay? Basically, the bushing goes right here on this knob. The cable slips down on top of it, and it holds the cable onto the bushing. Now, what happens when that cable goes away, see that? So you need that bushing. Thing is really not cooperating. Yeah, look at that. That bushing is gone. Look at all that. That's destroyed. Okay, so now my hands are a mess. But see, sometimes it'll go, boop, and it's off, and then you're stuck in park or whatever. But that is a simple fix. We're gonna go in. We're gonna see if we can't get that bushing coming, and we'll see what happens. It should, like I said, quick, easy fix. I'm gonna drive it to work like this today, so it can be driven. And if this had broke somehow, you could just pull on this cable and put it in and out of gear pretty easily. Would be a pain in the butt because you really have to know where your shift pattern is, and you would have to count, of course, park, reverse, neutral, drive. You really wouldn't want to think you're in drive and be in reverse and go. So anyway, not recommended, but if you had to, you can do it. Anyway, we're gonna get these parts coming. We're gonna give AutoZone a call and see what they can do. Anyways, if you haven't had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell for future notifications. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, guys, be safe. Okay, I'm being serious. Use this one. All right, guys, it's been a couple days. We kind of ran into a hiccup. I was unable to find the grommet locally. I tried Toyota. They were as worthless as could be. They claimed that they could not get just the grommet, that you had to buy the entire shifter cable that came with the grommet for, I think it was like 60 bucks. So I had to do a little bit of searching. I did find one on eBay. It is a genuine OEM Toyota part. I will put that part number down in the description. Anyway, this fix should work on a wide range of Toyota vehicles, not just the little Corolla. They share parts across the board. Anyway, we're going to go ahead. We're going to get this little bad boy installed. You really want to take some grease. I'm going to go ahead and... Alright, so basically... There's quite a bit of grease left on this. What you're going to want to do is not drop it and lose it. Somehow, ouch, come through. Just like that. See how it seats all the way around? Okay. If you need to, go ahead and put some more grease around that grommet. You're going to slide it on there just like that. Boom. You're done. Piece of cake. It's that easy. Go ahead and reinstall everything in the reversed order that you took it apart. Don't forget to hook up your wires. Alright, so sorry the video is not a close-up and all that good stuff, but that's the best angle I could get with the camera. So what you're going to do is you're going to come around, slide this plastic over here. Now come all the way up, go around your thing. Now your shift linkage has this plastic thing right there, and you want to go this little plastic thing right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it moves pretty easy. You probably won't have to do that, but if you do. So remember your wires, get them out of the way before you do anything. Alright, because it does go underneath. Come on, baby. Hell no, it is. Alright, so this one right here, till you hear the pop, click. Alright, take this one. Decided to become a pain in the butt. There you go. Come around like that with that. Okay. You're gonna push forward. Bam. That easy. Your screws. Don't forget these two screws back here. The kids and the wife are washing the dog. Be careful not to drop these damn screws, guys, because then you'll have to take it out all over again. They vet appointments. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
What are you doing?
Fixing the car.
Cool.
So don't forget this, your last piece. One of them goes in the lighter part, the power source, the cigarette lighter, and then the other goes for the ring, for the light. Switch pin it. Alright. Plug it in good and tight. And again, click. Now this doesn't, this just pushes and snaps. Now you'll do your last two bolts, and that's it. It goes like this. Snaps on in. Just want to say thanks for watching, guys. And again, if you haven't had a chance, please hit that subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Again, thanks for watching. Be safe.